Kingdom of Saudi Arabia
upon ceasefire in Gaza.
Of the South African Summit.
And I would like to...
Under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's leadership, Nigeria is committed to attracting business and investment by ensuring policy predictability, secure property rights, and effectiveness of contracts. I conclude by expressing my deep concern regarding the situation in Palestine. We commend the Kingdom for its commitment to the defense of the legitimate rights of Palestinians. We also reaffirm our support for a peaceful resolution of the Palestine-Israeli conflict, anchored on the two-state solution in line with UN resolutions and the Arab Peace Plan. Nigeria and Africa share similar visions of durable peace in the region.
We also look forward to injecting new Saudi investments in different sectors with an amount that exceeds $25 billion of financing and securing $10 billion of exports, as well as providing $5 billion as additional development funding for Africa till 2030.
It is then desirable that our partnership be built on the strengthening of existing cooperation to develop and amplify them in conformity with a short, medium, and long-term strategic vision, particularly in economic and development areas.
Our desire is to see this new African-Saudi partnership build on the commitments of African leaders by mobilizing support and resources towards human capital development.
We believe that Palestine should be a free state, and we stand for a two-nation solution as a means of resolving the conflict.